This was a cocktail I've wanted to try for ages and ages. It's essentially a coconut coffee and banana sour. I first saw this on Aluna Coconut Rum on their Instagram page. Now, I'll be honest, the whole reason why I didn't try it, I was trying to get my head around it. It was a bit more mixologist for my liking. Basically, they used, whoever created the cocktail, used a banana and coffee syrup in this, and of course it was clear. And every time I've kind of tried to make a coffee syrup, obviously when you use the beans it comes out brown, doesn't it, all coffee coloured. So I was having absolutely no joy. And then when I recorded it for the Rum Hour, one of my shows. I made this cocktail exclusively for my members community, and I decided there and then it needed its own video in its own right, because it is such an amazing cocktail. Yes, I've riffed up the recipe just to make it really easy for you guys at home, because we're not all mixologists. We haven't got the skill set to be making banana and coffee kind of syrups in that sense, crystal clear to recreate this. But the combination of the coconut rum, any other coconut rum, I think that it doesn't work as well. Aluna is perfect for this, but the banana and the coffee notes, wow, 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 wow. What a sour. If you make it, upload it to Instagram. As always, upload it to Instagram. Tag me and tag Aluna, because this cocktail deserves to go massive. Absolutely massive. It's that good. So round of applause whoever created it in the first part. I didn't actually look on Aluna's Instagram, I'm really sorry, but round of applause because you have created something absolutely awesome. So the ingredients you're going to need to make this cocktail, obviously it came off Aluna's Instagram, so we're going to use Aluna coconut rum. But in my opinion, this coconut rum would work a lot better than what Coco Canu Deadman's Fingers would, because it is dialed back, it's more authentic in coconut flavour, it's not as sweet. And the combination with this, as I say, I've already made it a few times and it is stunning, absolutely stunning. So Aluna coconut rum, the best banana liqueur on the planet, Giffard's Posh Banana Liqueur. We've got some sugar syrup, we've got some coffee bitters, some lemon juice and some foamers. This would be an egg white cocktail, it's a sour, but I'm using foamers for this. So let's crack on. First up, we're going for 45 ml, 1.5 ounces of Aluna coconut rum. So that's that. We are then going 15 ml, half an ounce of Giffard's banana liqueur. 15, lovely. We're going for 15 ml of sugar. I'm getting really used to this. It's slightly, when you get tasted them side by side, they are really good. But this is Monin's proper cane sugar, not sugar syrup made from like granulated or caster sugar or anything like that. Proper cane sugar from essentially where rum comes from. So the difference in taste between this and sugar syrup and gum is amazing. It's really, really good. So 15 ml of this sugar. Will normal sugar syrup work? Yeah, of course it will, but I'm just getting used to this one from Monin. Really good. So we've got that. 15 ml of that. I'm going for 15 ml of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Then we put the jigger away. It's a half an ounce of lemon juice. Right, and then already the smells are amazing. Right, coffee bitters. Now, the first time I did make it, I did say to my members, actually, that could have done with a third dash in there. So, pipette-wise, you can't get the pipettes much more fuller than that. So, I've got one. There we go, 2. And I'm actually going for a third one in this. There we go, 3. 3 sort of dashes of, what are these? These are bitter bar stewards, coffee bitters. They're really, really good. So we've got that. And then I'm going for my foamers coming out. So we are going for sort of half a pipette of foamers. These won't alter the taste at all. They'll just give it that lovely kind of, they will mimic the egg white essentially. So we are going to dry shake this to activate like you would do in egg white. We're going to put the foam into this. So the good, hard, fast. If you've got egg whites, about 10 seconds. For these, about 5 seconds, so perfect. And that's nice and frothy. Can you see that? Look at that. That's what we want. And then I've got it prepped here already. We've got some ice. So hard, fast shake to chill it down. Right, when you're out of breath, look at the foam on that. That's amazing. I've just got this out of the freezer. It wasn't in there that long, but it's kind of my tiki. It's called a tiki Mai Tai. I think it's more of a Nick and Nora, to be fair, but I'm going to call it a Tiki Nick and Nora. Sort of in between Nick and Nora and coupe size. But double strain. Look at the foam on there. We're going to be banging for a couple of seconds. And I won't lie, I'm probably going to be editing out about a good 20, if not 30 seconds of that. But that, you can see, because it's lovely and frothy. And then just to garnish, I've got some coffee beans here, because that's what the original sort of garnish was. So 3 coffee beans. And that is not mine, but my riff on Aluna's Instagram, their coffee and banana, coconut banoffee. I can't even say it. Coconut, coffee and banana sour. Oh my God, it is so good.